First thing, let's see what's inside the box. So now you can see we've got the cylinder lock. It's got keypad and cards. It's a reversible design, easy to install, and it's got the NGTeco logo on it. We've got the reset cord. So basically you will need the reset cord when you want to reset the lock back to factory default. Now you can see we also have 2 IC cords, and it's Mon-Fri. Then we've got a screwdriver. That's to open the lock to put the battery in. And then you will need a CR123A battery, which is not included in the box. And then you've got your 2 emergency keys for in case your battery is flat or you lose your card and can't remember your PIN code. 2 emergency keys and 2 sucker cups to open the front cover to put in the battery. And finally, the Allen key. This you will use to remove the back knob to do the installation. Let's look at the lock. First, we're going to take the sucker cup and open the front side. Then you will see you've got a USB port, so when the battery is flat, you can charge the battery with a C-type cable and a power bank, and then the hole for the 2 emergency keys. Now we're going to use the screwdriver to loosen the screw. Okay, now we're going to open the battery cover and put the CR123A battery inside. Now you're going to close it up. And then you're going to use the Allen key, remove the screw from the back knob. You will also see that there is holes for extension of door thickness. You can extend the doorknob to the thickness of your door. And all you need to do is push the cylinder lock through the existing keyhole and fasten the knob. And there you go. Okay, first you're going to loosen the screw, and then you're going to push the cylinder lock out, push the knob right through all the way, put the back knob on and fasten the knob. Fasten the screw, and there's your lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hash, open. And you can also use your tag.